Welcome to tip number 29. 5 years ago, tip number 29 wasn't even on my list. And in fact, you wouldn't be hearing any of the tips unless it was for tip number 29, which is social media. Social media includes Facebook, Google, Twitter, YouTube, and pretty much anything that you can do online where someone can see you or hear you, which might also include podcasts. I think there's some secrets to social media. And I think social media has become such an important part of our search engine optimization today that it is very, very important that you do whatever you can to build a good following. So the secrets to social media are, one, be genuine. You don't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be super professional. It just needs to be genuine. It needs to be you and not someone who doesn't represent you or your company. It needs to be consistent. You need to post regularly, and I would tell you that probably means at least 3 times a week, although in my company, all my millennials tell me that I need to be posting 5 to 10 times a week. So we post regularly. You need to get your clients involved to follow you because they forget that you're there if they don't see you often. And if they can see you on Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube, or wherever else, they're going to remember when the time comes that you're the person that should be taking care of their car for them. And I'll give you another hint. When you do your social media, it should be a third informational, a third fun, and a third blatant promotion. That's the formula we use here at the Institute. I hope this helps you. Have a great day.
We hope you enjoyed this week's tip. For more information on the concepts we discussed, check out our upcoming classes at www.ifrabe.com/classes or listen to the Leading Edge podcast at institutesleadingedge.podbean.com, where we discuss business topics just like this one with a panel of industry experts. You can also contact us whenever it's convenient, and we'll set up a free consultation on how the Institute can help you better your business, your life, and the industry as a whole. We'll see you guys next week.